Ano talaga, pag nag-iinuman talaga kami. Kasi doon talaga lumalabas yung totoong mga ugali namin. Oh! Effect ng movie. Hindi kasi sobrang totoo namin makipag-usap sa isa't isa. And ino-open talaga namin nararamdaman namin sa isa't isa. And yun yung pinaka-paborito ko pagka-vulnerable kami sa isa't isa.
Ito sa mga favorite moment ko off-cam. Meron kaming kung nakita niyo sa trailer yung nagtatakbuhan kami na scene, syempre, nung tinitake namin yun, pawis na kaming lahat. Eh, yun, syempre, retouch minsan, pero pawis na kami. So, ilang hours na kaming ganun. And then, yung natuyo na yung damit sa pawis, tapos napawisan ulit, tapos matutuyo ulit. Imagine that. Saya, no? Pero yung moment na yun, tinanong ko si Mika off-cam. Sabi ko, kadiri ba Mika pag di naligo tonight bago matulog? Tapos yung bigat nung sagot sa akin ni Mika, sabi niya, oo, yak! Oo! Yak! So, parang a good 10 minutes, we were all laughing.
Pero totoo lang, dead ma ako sa'yo, Mika. Di ako naligo ng gabi.
Ayun! One of my favorite moments, yun.
Tsaka ngayon, nagsasorry muna kami kay Mika every after taping.
time.
Hindi mo
Di po kami naligo. Speaking of di naligo, ang favorite ko pong Hindi, isa sa mga paborito ko talagang eksena namin pag off-cam, dahil yung chismis. Dahil ang dami naming chismis, ang dami naming tea. Pero ayun sige, baka mag-aas muna kami sa production kung may mga pwedeng ikwento. Pero ang tabayanan po sa mga promo week namin, marami po kami ibubulgar. Maraming i-mention na pangalan.
Alam niyo na po yung hindi natin sasama sa mga podcast.
Hoy!
Gosh, thank you, Sasa. Okay, AC Barbie, favorite moment.
Favorite moment? Siguro ako, there was one time sa taping na I was going through something and I was off, but I was trying my best to keep it in and not show it. But because of our connection, parang na-sense niyo agad eh. Na-sense nila, and my initial plan was to go home, finish work, be professional, go home and cry it out. But then they were like, no, let's all hang out. Let's just sit and talk. And I was there, and I was like, am I gonna tell them what I'm going through? And until eventually lumabas na siya, and umiyak kaming lahat. We were all crying together, and I was like, wow, I did not know this was where my night was gonna go, but it's one of my best memories ever during the movie. So yun po. Yeah.
Grabe, parang may true friendship talaga that was formed.
I've never been,
Yes.
I've never felt so safe on a movie set.
Same.
Or a set in general, just to feel so comfortable with everyone. Like, not even just the people here, with our staff, with our prod, like, lahat po talaga pamilya, nag-enjoy kami doon, tumatawa, maririnig mo si Direk, tumatawa habang nagsiscene, or everyone's trying to keep it in and just holding it until mag-cut si Direk. It's like, we've created something so beautiful, and I hope it really resonates to you guys when you watch it. Yeah.
Thank you so much, AC. Okay, last but not the least, Barbie, favorite moment. Go.
Favorite moment? Siguro, isa-sum up ko na lahat ng naging bonding namin off-cam, nag-translate siya on-cam when we shot our very last scene all together. Totoo yung emosyon namin kasi ang dami na namin pinagdaanan off-cam. So, I guess I would say na off-cam na rin siya kasi parang naging totoong Mikey, Mika, AC at Sasa kami yung huling eksena na adlibs na yun totoo na yun galing na sa puso lahat yun. So lahat nung yung foundation ng friendship na nabuo namin, makikita nyo talaga sa pelikula.
Perfect. I love it. Thank you guys so much for sharing. Wait,